I'm really excited to be here at our second conference, which is part of our Impacting Dissemination programme for the ATTUNE project. This one is focusing on the two work packages that have been working with young people, both co-designing the digital game and also co-designing the educational resource.
Very pleasing to see a plan made almost 4 years ago and worked on for a whole year, coming together in year 4 of the project, which is great, and today has been really, really heartening. It's quite moving and emotional in places, quite intense how we've managed to present the findings, which are about very sensitive issues, adverse childhood experiences, in a thoughtful, creative, beautiful way, which allows people to really understand those experiences.
We're now at a stage where we have this real, tangible resource which we're putting out into the wild world in 6 sites across the UK, in Leeds, Cornwall and Kent, and we're lucky enough today to have people who are using it with us to talk about their experience.
I think it's been really helpful to get out all the researchers and practitioners together today to share some insights and to share some practice. I've really enjoyed kind of sharing my experience of the Validating Voices toolkit.
I really liked the breakout session where we got to split up into groups and talk about the validating cards. I thought it was really interesting how all of our responses always led to you never really know what someone's going through, and that really stuck out to me.
I think systemic change is definitely needed within this country, and if the way to achieve that is through training, is through hearing people's experiences, again through listening to people, I think this project is going to be very helpful with that, and I'm very happy to be a part of that.
It's quite equal here, so you'll have people that have been in the industry for years working in mental health, then you'll have a young person who's quite new, and both their voices are equal.
As someone who doesn't have a background in psychology and doesn't have that experience to be able to talk about my experiences, to be able to say, this is who I am, and have that space to be able to do that, and I think that's the wonderful thing that the ATTUNE project creates.
And everybody, professionals, policymakers, teachers, parents, clinicians, everybody should pause when they hear young people's voice and when there's a possibility that they haven't quite understood what's going on for them.